The next word we have is bis-sabri, and it can be divided into 3 syllables. The first one is bis, the second one is sabr, and the third one is ri. So the first syllable we have is ba kasra sad shadda bis. Ba is a light letter, it has kasra underneath, it is followed by sad, sad has a shadda. This lam is silent and this alif is called hamzatul wasl, connecting hamza, and it is silent as well. Ba kasra sad shadda bis. Ba kasra sad shadda bis. Ba kasra sad shadda bis. The second syllable we have is sad fatha ba sukoon sabe. Sad is a heavy letter, it has fatha on top of it, it is followed by ba, ba has a sukoon. And this ba has the property of qalqala, extra movement and vibration of the makhraj. Sad fatha ba sukoon sabe. Sad fatha ba sukoon sabe. Sad fatha ba sukoon sabe. Combining both syllables together we have bis sabe, bis sabe, bis sabe. The third syllable we have is ra kasra ri. Ra is a light letter, in this case it has kasra underneath and it is prolonged for 1 count. Ra kasra ri, ra kasra ri, ra kasra ri. Combining all 3 syllables together we have bis sabri, bis sabri, bis sabri. The next word we have is was-sayfi, and it can be divided into 3 syllables. The first one is was, the second one is say, and the third one is fi. So the first syllable we have is waw fatha sad shadda was. Waw is a light letter, it has fatha on top of it, it is followed by sad, sad has a shadda. This lam is silent and this alif is called hamzatul wasl, connecting hamza, and it is silent as well. Waw fatha sad shadda was. Waw fatha sad shadda was. Waw fatha sad shadda was. The second syllable we have is sad fatha ya sukoon say. Sad is a heavy letter, it has fatha on top of it, it is followed by ya, ya has a sukoon. Sad fatha ya sukoon say. Sad fatha ya sukoon say. Sad fatha ya sukoon say. Combining both syllables together we have was-say, was-say, was-say. The third syllable we have is fa kasra fi. Fa is a light letter, it has kasra underneath and it is prolonged for 1 count. Fa kasra fi, fa kasra fi, fa kasra fi. Combining all 3 syllables together we have was-sayfi, was-sayfi, was-sayfi. The next word we have is wal-layli, and it can be divided into 3 syllables. The first one is wal, the second one is lay, and the third one is li. So the first syllable we have is waw fatha lam shadda wal. Waw is a light letter, it has fatha on top of it, it is followed by lam, lam has a shadda. And this alif is called hamzatul wasl, connecting hamza, and it is silent. Waw fatha lam shadda wal. Waw fatha lam shadda wal. Waw fatha lam shadda wal. The second syllable we have is lam fatha ya sukoon lay. Lam is a light letter, it has fatha on top of it, it is followed by ya, ya has a sukoon. Lam fatha ya sukoon lay. Lam fatha ya sukoon lay. Lam fatha ya sukoon lay. Combining both syllables together we have wal-lay, wal-lay, wal-lay. The third syllable we have is lam kasra li. Lam is a light letter, it has kasra underneath and it is prolonged for 1 count. Lam kasra li, lam kasra li, lam kasra li. Combining all 3 syllables together we have wal-layli, wal-layli, wal-layli.